He rose to become one of Buffalo's top criminal defense and civil rights attorneys.
David J. has now passed away after a battle with cancer. News 4's Lisa Flynn has more tonight. Lisa.
Don, Jackie, name a high-profile civil rights case here locally in the past 30 years or so, and chances are attorney David J. was front and center. David J. was a leading advocate for the American Civil Liberties Union here in Buffalo. He was involved in high-profile and controversial cases, including the Attica prison uprising trial, the .22 caliber killer, and neo-Nazi Carl Hand. David J. died today after a 5-year battle with thyroid cancer. Colleagues say he spoke for the powerless, especially on freedom of speech and other constitutional issues. He was always willing, they say, to take up seemingly hopeless causes.
If he thought that the right was worth fighting for, he was out in front, tackling difficult issues, difficult cases, unpopular cases, and it would range from representing defendants who were hated by members of the community, but they had a right to a fair trial. Is there someone there who's waiting in the wings, able to become the advocate that David was, able to acquire the kind of specific knowledge he had about constitutional issues that would make sure those issues don't die on the vine?
And Terry Connors adds that David J. was always willing to share his expertise with his fellow attorneys, especially on those thorny constitutional issues. David J. is survived by his mother, his wife, and 3 daughters. He was 71 years old. Don?